Hi guys! I'm back with another video. I am Manny and this is my channel, Random Videos by Manny. And today, what I'll be sharing with you is one of the random things that I love to do, which is to prepare my own food. I will be sharing my kimchi recipe. I know that a lot of people love kimchi and it's quite expensive if you buy in the supermarket. Minsan yung 500 grams, nasa 180, ganyan. And you will save a lot of money if you prepare it yourself. Lalo na kung gusto mong kumakain ng Korean barbecue. What I'll be sharing with you today is just a simple... Okay, I'm filming it here ngayon kasi I don't have... Hindi siya pwede sa kwarto ko. Mangangamoy sibuyas tayo, sis. At bawang. But the problem here is yung mga aso, girl. But it's fine, it's part of it. Papasukin ko lang siya. Okay, I'm back. Now, what I'll be sharing with you is my simple kimchi recipe we're in. Now, this kimchi recipe is, I think, one of the easiest recipe na sa paggawa ng kimchi because almost all the ingredients here can be found right in your kitchen. Napakadali lang, except for this one, which I will be introducing to you later. Now, before we begin, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga next upload. So let's start. Now, here are my ingredients. I have here a 1/4 cup of garlic. Ayan siya. Minced. And then we also have here a 1/4 cup of sibuyas, onions. I love using kapag kimchi yung pula. Yung pulang sibuyas na sinasabi nila. And then I have here 1/3 cup of ginger. Minced din siya. I love ginger sa kimchi kasi stabilize niya yung basta. Ginagawa niyang stable yung lahat. Okay. And then we have here 1/3 cup of sugar. So wala kaming refined sugar. Hindi kami masyadong gumagamit ng refined sugar dito sa bahay because they said na yung muscovado o yung brown sugar is more healthier than the refined one. So this is what I'm using. You need 1/3 cup of it. And then I have here 1/2 cup of glutinous flour. Yun yung tawag dito basta. Glutinous. Although, pwede din naman kayo gumamit dito ng simpleng flour lang. But I prefer this one kasi nakakatulong siya for the fermentation. And then I also have here 1 cup of salt. Ito yung gagamitin natin sa pagbabrine ng ating ombok mamaya or yung ating Chinese cabbage. And then we also have here patis. Ayan. Wala namang required na brand ng patis, but this is what we use, yung patis Malabon, which is very good. So, ito palaging ginagamit namin. So, ayan siya. Hindi naman ito lahat ilalagay mo, sis. Okay? And then we also have here, meron akong 1 kilo dito ng Chinese cabbage o yung ombok na tinatawag natin. So, locally tinatawag natin itong ombok, Chinese cabbage. I have 1 kilo. Ayan, 1 kilo lang yung gagamitin natin this time. And then we have here, so we can find this ingredients sa kusina o kaya sa local market natin. Mahanap natin madali yan. And then this one is the only thing na kailangan mong mabilis sa Korean supermarket. But I believe there are plenty of Korean supermarkets there. Or mga small stores na pwede nating pagbilhan. I guess dito sa Tarlac, meron tayong sing-sing, ganyan, and a lot more. So this one is the red pepper powder for kimchi. I got this for 375. Pero ito, matagal ko na siyang binili. I guess 6 months na siya sa akin. And ito guys, kailangan nyo siyang i-ref. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya nire-ref at hindi siya nagagamit, nagkakaroon siya ng mold. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng gamitin kapag napabayaan siya. So, laging nasa ref ito para maiwasan na magkaroon siya ng mga mold. So, this is pretty much everything ang kailangan natin for this recipe. Now, let's start preparing the ingredients. Okay? Let's start. Okay, ayan mga sis. So, ang una natin gagawin is, kukunin natin yung ombok guys and make sure na tanggalin natin yung mga dahon-dahon na patay na. To be honest, itong ombok na to, this has been sitting for like 3 days sa ref. So, it's not perfect anymore. But, ayoko siyang masayang. So, I will cut it in half. And then quarters. So after ng half, ikakat natin siya in quarters. Ayan. And then, what I'll do is tatanggalin natin yung matigas na part dito because natin yan makakain. And then dito rin tatanggalin natin yung manipis, yung matigas na part. And then I will cut this across. Okay? To bite size. Yung iba hindi na nila kinakat yung kimchi nila, but I love doing it. Kasi I prepare it better. Anyways, nilinisan ko itong lamesa na to guys. Itong aming dining table to make sure that we're clean here. Ayan. So, bite size lang guys. Okay. And then I will do the rest. So, okay, now I have it here. Ito na yung ating bite size na mga cabbage. So, ang gagawin ko is iwawash ko lang siya and then I'm gonna show you the next process. Now, I wash it a couple of times already. So, ayan. So, what I'm gonna do next is I will get the salt at ibababad lang natin yung ating cabbage ng salt. And then, i-mix lang natin ng konti. Make sure that everything will be covered by the salt. Ayan. Ang gagawin natin. I don't know anong tawag dito. Yung iba ginagawa sila ng brine solution, but I prepare this better kasi magtutubig naman na yung ating cabbage. Once nilagyan natin siya ng salt. So, para mawala yung pakla at saka yung pait ng cabbage, kailangan natin gawin to. Okay. So, I feel that I need more salt here. So, I will add another cup of salt. Just a moment. So, right now, dadagdagan natin siya ng another cup of salt. Don't worry guys, iwawash pa natin ito after. So, definitely, hindi lahat ma-absorb yung salt na yan. Okay? So, after nito, kapag after 30 minutes or 1 hour, kailangan mo siyang banlawan ng ilang beses para matanggal yung asin. Okay? So, yeah. I will just let it sit for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
A few moments later.
So, kung mapapansin natin, medyo lanta na yung mga dahon niya. That's an indication na yung cabbage natin is pwede na natin siyang hugasan. Ayan. At saka magtutubig siya, oh. Kusa siya magtutubig. That's why I didn't add any water here anymore. Yung iba kasi binabrine nila, a mixture of salt and water kasi bababad nila. But I like it this way para mas mabilis siyang i-brine. Okay, so ang gagawin natin dito is iwawash natin siya a couple of times and I'll be right back. Now guys, I already set aside the cabbage. Ang gagawin naman natin yun is yung paste ng ating kimchi. So we start with the glutinous flour at saka water. Okay, so just dissolve it. Huwag mo muna siyang ilagay sa fire. I-dissolve muna natin yung glutinous flour dito to make sure that everything is dissolved properly kasi baka mamuo siya dun sa natin. Dun sa kalan pagka sinag mo na siya sa fire. Now, let's bring it to a boil. Bali, low fire lang po yung ginagawa natin ngayon. I-stir lang natin siya ng stir. Yan. I'm sorry for the lighting dito sa Now guys, as you can see, we have this paste-like consistency and this is what we are going for. Ayan, so ang gagawin lang natin dito is set aside natin siya and palamigin natin siya. Now we're back here at gagawin na natin yung ating kimchi. So malamig na tong ating paste. We want this consistency sa paste natin. So ito yung natin. Ito yung ating Okay, this is not a good. Ito yung ating cabbage. So, ayan, hinugasan na ito ng ilang beses. Mga 4 na beses to 5, ganyan. To make sure that everything is clean at wala lang natirang mga unwanted foreign objects. Ang una natin gagawin is this one. You have this here. So, ihalo lang natin yung ating mga ingredients. We have here the ginger. Make sure ko lang na-recorded siya. Lalagay lang natin siya doon. After that, ilalagay natin yung ating sibuyas. This is to complete the paste. Okay, and this is my garlic. I-add lang natin siya. So, yung iba, nilalagyan nila ito ng onion leeks, nilalagyan nila ng carrots, ilalagay mo na rin yung dito. Okay? Yung iba, pipino, ilalagay mo na rin dito yung pipino. And then, meron tayo ditong sugar. I find it a lot, so hindi ko siya ilalagay lahat ng sugar natin. 1/4 cup lang yung nilagay ko. And then, I'll just mix it. And make sure that everything is blended. Okay. So, we're not done yet with the paste. So, maglalagay na kami ngayon ng chili, ng red pepper flakes. So, lalagyan na natin yun ng 5. I need 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Mag-adjust lang kayo if needed. Wait lang. If you feel kulang pa siya, I need more. Sige. Sige pa. Sige pa. Sige pa. Okay, stop. Mabigyan mo ako ng patis. So, ito yung consistency ng ating bigyan mo akong patis. Bigyan mo lang ako dito ng... And then, the next na ilalagay natin is yung patis. Ayan. Tansya-tansya na lang, sis. Okay, that's enough. Yung alat lang na gusto natin. And then, syempre, ipapatikim natin ito. Like this. Ayan siya. Ito mo yun, de. Now. Okay. When done mixing, so kukunin natin ulit yung ating cabbage at ilalagay lang natin siya dyan. Cyst. Ayan, first coating muna. Although, it's hard to mix it up. So first muna, to make sure natin yung orange kimchi, at alam nyo ba, si mama, ayaw niyang bumibili ako ng kimchi kasi gusto niya ako ang gumagawa. That's the beauty of Mama, come here. Tikman mo nga siya. So, titikman, si mama taga-tikim ko kasi minsan gabi ko talagang ginagawa yung kimchi. Dahil wala akong time pag umaga. Hindi na ako pwedeng kumain ng gabi. Since I'm on a fast. Ayan, medyo mahirap lang. Apat na ano ko. See that? See that, guys? That's how we like it. This is the kimchi we love. Wait lang. I'll give you the best part, which is this one. Tell me. Okay. Nakakaya naman yung tinidor natin.
Bakit? Ganda naman.
Patik mo mga kung ano siya. Kumusta? You like it?
Okay na.
Sarap. Yung ano niya,
Lagyan natin ng konti pang patis.
lagyan natin ng konting patis. O, yan. Lalagyan pa niya ng konting patis. Okay. 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 And of course, it's also my favorite. So, alagyan lang natin next video. Sabi ba kayo kimchi? And then, mix natin. Minsan yung mixing, it makes a lot of difference. Okay. Ganyan na magiging itsura niya, guys. I like. It's perfect. Yung redness niya and everything. Now, kailangan, ang pagpa-ferment nito, we put it in a super sealed container. So, I'm using this one. So, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Ayan. Just pack it. Okay? Airtight dapat yung paglalagyan nyo, guys. Pero kung wala ka talagang paglalagyan, kahit yung mga basta sealed. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour this here. So, wag muna natin siyang i-ref. For 1 day, hayaan lang natin siya sa room temperature. Kasi kapag sumobra naman ng 1 day na nasa room temperature, ang tendency nun is aasim siya ng sobra. So, sa first day ng kimchi na to, guys, ilalagay muna natin siya sa room temperature. Ayan. Ayan siya. Malaki lang yung container ko kasi normally I make 4 kilos ganyan, but this time mahal yung ombok. So ayan na siya. And then isisil lang natin to for 1 day. Diba? Buko salad siya, sis. Airtight kasi to eh. So for a day, hayaan lang natin siya mag-sit. And then after a day, doon natin siya ilalagay sa fridge. Now we're done with our kimchi recipe. We have a lot of other options kung paano natin siya gustong gawin. Sometimes people blend, gumagamit sila ng blender dun sa mga dried ingredients nila like onions, garlic. Tapos i-blend nila yung together with the paste. Or minsan wala na yung paste para makagawa sila ng puree. But in this case, I just want you to have a simple recipe na kung saan you can create your own kimchi even if you have limited amount of materials and ingredients. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga next upload. Bye!